Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome guys to another video of Razvi release. So today we are repairing a Havells infrared cooker. As you can see, this induction cooker is totally dead. While plugging it on, it does not turn on. So let's see what problem this device is having. So first of all, we will remove the top cover of this, as I have already unscrewed this panel. So now keep this aside. Okay. So first we will remove the all screws of the panel PCB, so we can have a clear look on the main PCB, which is also called the power board of induction cooker. Actually this is an infrared cooker, but most often this is also called an induction cooker in our local area, so I am referring to this as induction cooker. As we can see, this is totally dead. No lights are turning on, no beeps, nothing. So first we will take a closer look, as there is no burning visible anywhere. So we got to use our multimeter to check the defective components. So our multimeter is already on continuity mode, and now we will firstly, let me remove the coil connections. Here you can see clearly the main fuse of the board. First we will check this fuse. As we can see, the fuse is intact and it is okay. Now there is also a second fuse for the safety of SMPS section. This section here is a Viper IC 8 legs. This section is called SMPS section. This section converts our 300 voltage into 5 and 18 volt. 5 volts for working the panel and 18 volts for the fan. So for this SMPS section there is a extra, it is only 145 ohms and it is also okay, but still I think someone has been tampering with this PCB, as there is an high frequency coil which has been removed from the PCB. So first we need to arrange this coil from a scrap PCB and we will replace this coil here. Then we will see what will happen next. Let me pause the video so I can get the coil. So guys, I have arranged the another PCB which is also an infrared PCB, but this is a very different model from different company. But here is the high frequency coil which we need to use in this PCB. So let's remove this from the scrap PCB board. For this we are going to use our SMD heat gun. So here is the coil. In our old PCB there are only 4-legged coil, but we have here 5-legged coil, so we are not going to use the central one. We will discard this one leg and we will use these 2 legs and these 2 legs in our PCB. Bulb here is disturbing our visual, so let me keep it off for a few times. As I have already explained, we don't need this center leg, so we're gonna tilt this so it won't disturb us while fixing it into the main PCB. Okay, so here it goes to the side. Now we have to use this one and this one and this one. So let me fix it into the PCB.
Mas de jeito que te. Não vou ficar aqui. İmmetsayı da tek aytem diyeceğim ama yemezdim korkay. Dersin bilir. Tabuna vakit aşkına oturman yalı.
Now we are going to test this. If the fault has been cured. Here goes, here goes neutral.
क्या है एमएस इतना ट्राई तक कर
Oraya koyuyorsa